The most viewed videos on my channel is my room tour, which I did 5 months ago. I filmed that video right after I moved in here. I had all these necessities and basic things where I can be like, okay, I can live with this, but now it's like I love my room kind of thing. So I wanted to show you guys like an updated version of my room. That video was in Japanese as well, so this time I'm gonna try and do it in English so that, I don't know, I can reach 2 more people, I guess. Yeah, so without further ado, let's dive into it. The first part is here. This is the door to the room, and I have this rack thing that I got, and I just put all the bags that I have on here. That's pretty much everything I have to say about this part. Sorry, the first part is a bit boring, but I promise you it's gonna get interesting after this, so stay tuned. So the next part is this rack. This was already here in my last video. I have all the clothes that I wear often on here. I had candles on the top shelf in the previous video, but now I have these fake plants, these 2 fake plants, and this photo stand. On the down below, I still have all the skincare that I use every night, so I can just grab this and do whatever I do at night. So yeah, plus the basket is like very cute, so it can work as like a decor, home decor, so I really love it. And further down I have this basket, which I had, if I remember correctly, bath related things like shampoos and body soap and stuff, but I got a new one which is a lot smaller and it fits well, so I'm using this right now. So instead I use this bigger basket for things that relate to YouTube, I guess. So I have sewing machine for thread flipping, and this what is this called? The tripod, bendy tripod. So yeah, this is like my YouTube basket. And then down below it's the same as last time. I have my towels in the basket. This is really bad, but I have my shoes down here. I have a shoe rack, but there's not enough space, so I have to lay all the boots that I wear often down here. Probably not very sanitary, but there's no option for me. So moving on to the rack next to the clothing rack, I have this whole miscellaneous rack that I put everything. On top of the shelf I have all the books and notepads that I own and I stole from work and stuff. And I have this Yankee candle as like a book stopper, so I just put it here. And I have this another fake plant. The reason why I have this here is because the things that's on the second shelf is not very pretty. I have all these food and practical things here, so I just hope that this leaves kind of distract people's eye from, you know, seeing things inside. Yeah, so the second shelf, so I have all these plates and anything that's food related. And down below I have my microwave, which I bought on MarkII for like 2,000 yen. Yeah, so that's that. Down below it's just my fridge, so I'm not gonna show you guys because it's quite boring, but yeah. The desk area hasn't pretty much changed, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. I still have the mirror and this tray that I have all my perfumes, and the dry flower and the lamp that comes with the room, and also the desk that comes with the room. The only thing that's addition to the last video is this bag, which I keep all my laundries in. So I just take this to the laundry room and get washed. This fluffy thing that was used to be on the bed area, I just put it on here because this chair is like really old, and then like the surface of the chair just keeps coming off and it just sticks in my body all the time. So I just put this on as like cover so that it won't get damaged anymore. It's cute, isn't it? Oh yeah, I also have this like inspiration board kind of thing. On this board I have all the pictures that I like and also the name cards of places that I've been to that I liked. So things like Chaz and Sanchai, those are, you know, it's like a little pamphlet that I, oh shit, and I try to change it every now and then, but I haven't touched it for a long time. So the last part is the part where magic happens. Yeah, so that's my bed area. Addition from the last video would be this chevron thing that I got from IKEA. The actual bed frame is like black in this color, but it doesn't really go with the vibe that I want in my room, so I just put this white blanket on top of it so that it looks like it has white bed frame. I also got these two extra cushions. I used to be such a cushion freak when I was in like high school. I had like 5 or 6 pillows on my bed. I don't know, I just like to drown in the sea of pillows, I guess. I cut it down to 2, so that's good. And I also have this half that I got like 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago when I went to Aoyama market. It's been hanging like this for the past 3 weeks, so it's now dried, but yeah, I just like the whole idea of having herb in my room. It was smelling so nice when I first got it. The whole room just smelled so nice. Now the smell is gone, so it's a bit sad. I'm a bit sad, but it still looks pretty, so I still have it on my wall. One thing that's a bit worried about this is the place where the herb is. It's like right on top of where my face would be when I'm sleeping. Every time I go to bed, I'm a tiny bit worried that it's gonna hit on my face, but I mean, it looks pretty, so that's all that matters, right? My favorite part of my room is this wall that I have next to the bed. I got all these photo frames from like IKEA, and these 2 dry flowers, yeah. I got them from the dry flowers that was on my table. I just tweaked some of it, placed it with a blue tack. Those photos in the frame are from the Hermes magazine that I got in Paris. I got this postcard from Kumamoto Castle, I guess. Kumamoto Castle is like so damaged right now because of the earthquake that happened a few years back. I just wanted to support recovering from the damage, so I decided to buy this very beautiful postcard that's supposed to be inside the Kumamoto Castle. So that's the end of my updated room tour. I'm so proud of my room, so hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. Subscribe if you want to watch my videos weekly. The choice is yours. So yeah, I see you guys next week. Bye!